Welcome to our annual Galadinner for Ungazibulali. It's an awareness campaign for this man right here. He's a man who's very phenomenal. He's a visionary. He's like, I can say a lot about you, sir. But then I want you to say it yourself. Tell the people why this initiative, what happened, Ungazibulali. Can you just tell us a bit, the story a bit about everything, the whole journey basically?
Allow me to say, you look stunning.
Thank you.
You look stunning, and thank you for being our red carpet for the annual Ungazibulali Awareness Campaign.
It's an honor. I'm very honored, sir.
Thank you.
And I'm seeing here you are with your manager. You know having a manager, what is that? You know what is that? To have a manager.
Yes.
You know, you have this order. And I know your name is Trevor because we spoke earlier. Can you just tell us more as well before he speaks, because he needs to tell us more about himself and the initiative and why the conception of Ungazibulali. It's something great, but I don't want you to do it now. I just want you to tell me, how did you guys put it together?
First, we come a long way with Level Kanye. He's a very kind and very dedicated man, and he's good-hearted, if I can say. So this initiative is a very big initiative. It touches the lives of people. So hence why I'm here also, because I feel that it is our duty to look for each one another. I must say, but it has been a great journey, revealing God's grace, and what we see here today, even today, it's God's grace. So I can say briefly that it has been a great job for him.
Great.
Yeah.
Mr. Kanye, over a decade, 11 years. Tell us more.
Look, to me, it's a milestone. You know, when you're looking back from where we're coming from and where we are and where we're going to, I can tell we're going somewhere. Without the people of South Africa, who supported us. There was Ungazibulali 1, there was Ungazibulali 5, there was Ungazibulali 7, there was Ungazibulali 10. Today, it's our 11th year annual Galadinner Ungazibulali Awareness Campaign. And we're still going to 15, 20, 30. This is an initiative that is not unstoppable.
Then challenges. Tell us a little bit about challenges.
Oh, look, challenges are always there, but then we don't look on the challenges. We look at the challenges as to accelerate and look at where we need to fix so that we can be where we want to be. So we don't look at things, we don't take things as challenges. We take things as we are learning what we want to give the best to our supporters, to our people. As you see, the numbers of people that are here, 3,000 people who attended this gala dinner today. So it's amazing to us, and we really appreciate each and everyone. I would like to appreciate all the stakeholders, the faith-based organization, traditional healers, the government who came on board this time, the Department of Health. I'm so grateful about the leadership of Ubaba Uzizigodwa and his leadership, Mamnotawe, with Dr. Stella Kumalo and leadership of Department of Sports, Arts and Culture, because this time they came on board to come and support Ungazibulali Awareness Campaign. Not only them, Inyate Foundation. I should have not, it would be, unfair for me not to appreciating them, because they made it for this Galadinner. Everyone who came on board for this Galadinner, as you see how beautiful, glamorous it is. We appreciating each and everyone.
Yeah, but then also I want to ask you about the initiative itself. How did it go about exactly? Because I know there's a story behind it, and you're not telling us. We want to hear about the story of Ungazibulali. Why Ungazibulali?
Look, I am the victim, proudly so, of depression and the survivor of suicide. I am the voice of the world. I'm the beacon of hope to the nation. I'm not in a speaker just for the locally, but internationally. My story today, it was a mess. Today, it's a message nationwide. Look, the beauty of this gala dinner today, I'll be also sharing my journey as you're expecting all the people that you're going to see here. Our MC, Usomkaka, Usomizi Mshongo, will be making us to laugh and dance. Siyamazi Usomizi, and we've got Abu Halisabandu, Abu Big Zulu, we've got Ozanele Mbogazi that have worked with her. She's been mentoring me for the longest time. She's our keynote speaker tonight. We've got different speakers that are here. We've got artists are coming from KwaZulu-Natal, are here to celebrate these 11 years of the milestone under Ungazibulali Awareness Campaign. This gala dinner, it's a gala dinner that
it's an amazing one.
Yes,
and then there's just a whole lot like that I can actually ask you, but not tonight because we are having a lot happening inside, and you are needed inside. So yeah, you know what?
So bad.
But then I'm looking at you shining.
Yes.
As you can see him, he's looking so great from head to toe, and even all shaped up.
Yes.
Tell us about your outfit.
Look, the man that is next to me, Trevor, he is my manager. He's the one I can call him, he managed me, and he's also my stylist. He's a very difficult person ever. He will tell you to say, look, Mpati, this is good for you. So he's the one who went all out to organize this, as you see.
Look, you're looking great.
Thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you.
And then what can you say about that?
Oh,
All the time.
all the time.
So he's just saying all the time, he's always dressing you up. Even him himself, I can see that the golden black is just so bright on him. Thank you so much.
But before the event starts, and again, I'm emphasizing to all the business people, I'm emphasizing to the government, and this is a message even to the president of the current president of the country, and other organizations, other countries, come on board to join Ungazibulali. We need more volunteers, we need more sponsors, we need more stakeholders. We need more funds to fight against this pandemic that we see each and every day. People are losing life because of depression and suicide. So I'm pleading everyone, please do come on board and join this initiative. It was not easy, but today we made it, 11th year. So this Galadinner, to you, Sis Bongi, we're going to do it each and every year.
Oh, yeah.
And then we're going to be celebrating each and every year, celebrating the stakeholders, the people that we work with, and people who are still coming on board to support us. We want to make this as one of the global initiatives in the country. We are going to one of the stadiums in South Africa where we'll be fighting, campaigning against what we see each and every day, people losing their lives by saying, Segwanele,
Ungazibulali. Wow, great stuff. And then we still are busy inside, so I just want to let you guys move for now because I'm continuing my work.
Good evening, and good evening to your viewers. It's a very difficult question, and I'm saying it's difficult because it's realistic in nature. It's not a philosophical view that anyone can have an immediate response to. As an African child, we grew up being taught that so when you fight in the streets, you need to make sure that you find a corner where no one can see you. You shed your tears when you appear again in public. You appear formidable, and you appear without weakness. You bottle everything up. I'd like to, in fact, generalize it and not limit it to us Black South Africans, because it appears to be a general concern that exists. I mean, it's one of the reasons why I've decided to come and learn as well, as a man. Zulu City, ukwahlula insizwa kuyabikwa. Ngizolalela lokho kuzobikwa la. Ngizozwa ukuthi kanti sesivulekile yini. I-input enginayo as a young man that has practical experience, by the way, of the harsh reality of our society. I think I have a lot to say. I think I have a story to tell. A story of basically simplicity as well as a story of victory. resilient and persistent. We would just need to have a platform where we can learn to share our emotions. Okay? It's not easy for a man to cry on whichever shoulder that presents itself. So, Ungazibulali is in fact a very powerful initiative, and it's needed, not only towards young people, but different age groups, so that we can learn from those that have gone through situations that we are yet to be confronted by, so that we can also share some of the challenges in modern society that ordinarily would not have immediate answers to. So I'm hoping that I'll have significant contribution as an ordinary person that relates on a personal level with our communities.
Thank you.
And last please. I'm placing, well done. I'm placing someone about to play. Or was a place alright. Now placing. Thank you so much, the beautiful lady has pledged.
You know we're professional in organizing, we know we're professional in strategies, we know we're professional in coaching. Now and again we will meet people who need our services. Myself and Bishop are relationship coaches, and you know the value that we give. Now and again when we meet people, our Ungazibulali, because of my relationships and they need personal development, you know which you can always bring them to us, and we will be there to support. Seasons do change. Bless you.
I have one ask. Who are my relationships? Why have I ever?
Lalela umjolo nje ngeke uzuphela. Uyathanda awuthandi. Relationships awanankinga. Abantu abanenkinga. Sidinga ukufixa lento kubantu. The mindset is the key.
Yeah, but these days, umjoloki. One of the guys I know, Oshaya Ingoma, ephakeme kakhulu osuka ngapha nathi emafama la sisuka khona, is coming on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, from Beckville tonight, he is with us. Please, huge round of applause for my friend, Big Zulu in the house.
ngiyayithanda kakhulu ngomlomo sekuzovele ngishaye ingoma nje yabo.
ikhaya lakithi igama lengoma ngizontshontshelwa nje ayikaphumi kodwa ngithi cha ngiyitshontshe zitha
He